Hey, what's up? Today we're gonna look at this Kodak Ektar H35 half frame 35mm film camera, which is very trending at the moment. It's probably the only brand new half frame film camera you can buy right now. Half frame means each image is about half the size of the normal 35mm photo. Usually you can take 36 exposures per roll of 35mm. But with this camera, you can take twice as many, which is 72 exposures. That's very tempting to film enthusiasts, especially today when the price of film is very expensive. Right now, I'm gonna unbox this camera. You get this camera, a soft pouch, and a strap, and 2 QR codes that you can scan to learn how to use the camera. Since it's a half-frame film camera, the images will be vertically oriented, which you can see from the viewfinder. This feature will make this camera very easy to use. We shoot a lot of portraits. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to use this camera. First of all, you need to put battery inside the camera. Battery is not a must. It's used for powering the flash. If you want to use a flash, you need a AAA battery, which is available everywhere. You can turn this ring to turn on and off the flash. When the flashlight is on, that means the flash is ready. But right now you cannot press the shutter button even after turning the film at once, because there's no film inside the camera. If you want to text the flash but you don't want to waste your film, you can open the film cover and turn this wheel, so you can press the shutter button. Right now I'm going to show you how to load film inside this camera. First of all, you need to open the film cover, and you need a roll of 35mm film. Make sure the film leader is fitting into the slot, and you turn the film at once a little bit and close the film cover. Press the shutter button and turning the film at once for a few times until you see the film counter start from 1. That means you are good to go to take your pictures. Sometimes after loading the film into the camera, you are not able to press the shutter button even after you turn the film at once. That's because the film is not loaded properly. The film is not moving inside the camera after you're turning the wheel, so you are not able to press the shutter button. If this happens, you have to load the film again properly and make sure the film is moving before you close the film cover. After you properly load your film inside the camera, please do not open the film cover before you completely finish the film and unload it from the camera. Otherwise, your photos will be ruined. That's a mistake a lot of beginners made. So now, let's say you have finished all the exposures and you have to unload the film from the camera. What you have to do is to press this button and turn this film rewinder clockwise. And you can feel the film is completely going back into the canister. So you are safe to open the film cover and take the canister out. Here are the sample images taken by this camera. The lab will probably send your images in this way. Basically 2 photos in 1 JPEG file. So if you want a single image in 1 file, you have to crop your images by yourself. This camera is being sold at about $50 US. If you are interested in half-frame film cameras, you can also look at the vintage ones such as the Olympus 10 half-frame series. It will cost you pretty much the same price, but the lens is much better and you can control your exposure, unlike this one, whose aperture and shutter speed are not changeable. That's all for today's video. I hope you find it useful. I will see you next time.